So, Valentine is just around the corner, and if you are thinking, how can I spice up the romance in my relationship? I have a great idea for you. What do we as girls give our husbands? It's always difficult. So I have a die craft that I think they really would like. So stay tuned to hear more about it. I made this corset bottle, and it's a bit of a naughty present. You can use this bottle just to put in some candy, but I did something else. First I'm going to talk to you about how I made this bottle. It's just a bottle that I would normally have tossed out, but I Mod Podged a corset by just putting some plastic foil on my bottle because I wanted to make a shape of a corset, and I did that with just some book paper. So I Mod Podged it on the plastic foil and let it dry really good. When it was dry, I took it off, I cut the shape into my corset and then started decorating. So I used a little bit of black lace, some sequin ribbon, a little ribbon rose. This is a piece of jewelry from a broken earring, some velvet lace that I had in my stash for years, so I was happy to use that. At the back I really laced it up as a real corset. So I made holes, put my ribbon through, and this is just a reused ribbon from clothing. I always cut them out because I never use them, and I use them for this kind of thing, also on tags and stuff. So you can see here on the inside I have some paper in there, which I will explain at the top. There is a rose, that's a clay rose. I bought that, it was another color, and I just used some metallic paint on it. Underneath there is a red sequins ribbon again, and this is a black ribbon with white lace on there. So I glued that on the top of the lid. So now we'll remove the lid, and there are some just strips of paper actually. And to spice up your relationship, marriage, whatever, you can write some things on there. I'll open one up. One says, reenact the first time you've met. And the second one reads, do whatever it takes to make my toes curl. So that can be something else for everybody, I think. I also have a sizzling romantic bubble bath for two. Another one is fulfill his desired fantasy, or act out your favorite romantic movie scene. Those are all kind of things you can put in there. It doesn't have to be really difficult, just some fun things to spice up your Valentine's Day, or maybe the days around Valentine's Day. It also could be kind of cute to make this as a Valentine's gift and then put all these great date nights or things to do all year around and pick one for each week. That could be a great Valentine's gift for your husband. And also you can just put some candy in this jar. So this is another project in my 7 Days of Valentine series, and I hope you enjoyed this year. If you like, I have a playlist for this year's 7 Days of Valentine. I also have a playlist for last year's 7 Days of Valentine. At the end of the video you can click on there and it goes directly to the playlist. So I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye everybody.